In today's video, I will show you how to apply for renewal sticker for CDC. Following documents need to be kept ready for renewal. First, scan copy of a signed online application which will be generated in the last. Number 2, passport size photograph 3.5 cm by 3.5 cm. Number 3, self-attested scanned copy of CDC, first and last 2 pages. Number 4, self-attested scanned copy of your proof of Indian citizenship, that can be passport. Now, the most important thing is please use Firefox, Mozilla or Internet Explorer. Go to site www.dgshipping.gov.in. Now click on e-governance. Provide your username and password, which will be your indoors number, followed by password, and click on view registration status or login. Now go to CDC management and COC as cook. Now here the most important thing is all your personal details will be given as per your indoors number. Please make sure you double check all your personal details and your seafarer's profile is complete with regards to your personal details and your sailing experience. If any modifications to be done, please request for personal details correction in seafarer's profile prior you submit the application. Now go to submit and renewal of CDC. Once you click on it, you will see number 1, personal details. Please select the office, which will be your issuing office, date, and rest other things will be filled up automatically or pre-filled. Only thing you will have to fill your father's name. Now please make sure again that all the details are correct. Now click on continue. Now the second will be your address. Again, everything will be pre-filled. Please make sure they are correct and click on continue. Third section will be fee detail, which is as of today 700 rupees. Please click on continue. Kindly note that online payments once done will not be refunded. So make sure that everything is in order before proceeding further. Now, as I have already shown you all the documents required to be uploaded, I am sure that you have already handy. Please click on I agree and scroll down and click on generate application number. Once you click on generate application number, the site will show you do you want to submit the application. Click on OK. You will find one pop-up window which will state that your data has been successfully submitted. Click on Pay Now and click on Submit and continue. Now please make the payment by using the appropriate method, whichever is applicable to you. Once you have made the payment, go to Others tab on the left hand top corner. And here you will see Pay or Upload Documents. Click on it. Now you will find Application Status. Here you can see fees paid or not. If you have paid the fees, it will show the fees has been paid. Please go to Document Upload Status. If you have uploaded, it will show View. If you have not uploaded, it will show Upload. Please click on Upload and start uploading the 4 documents which we have kept ready. Please make sure the passport size photograph is in JPEG format and as per instructions. Rest 3 documents need to be in PDF file. Once all the documents have been uploaded, please check your application status. Also check the documents which have been uploaded, whether they are in order or not. Please make sure that you continue to check your application status for at least next 1 week so that if any remark you can revert back, or else it will show approved. Kindly note, you will receive renewal certificate in the form of a sticker which you will have to paste in your CDC booklet on the additional page given for office use. Original CDC is not required to be sent to shipping master. Replacement is only applicable when your CDC is either damaged or does not have clear details, like photograph is not clear or too old, or all pages of your CDC are completely filled up. I'm sure it is easy to apply by yourself. If you have liked the video, please share, subscribe. Thank you.